going on a hiatus for the summer. So we'll be back for the fall on September 1st. 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 September 1st.
This is it. I'm tired of this hiatus. It's been 2 months. I want my eye fixed now. Get up, you fat slob.
Who the heck are you?
I'm an inmate fan, that's who I am. I want the new episode of Inanimate Insanity.
Check back on September 1st. September 1st.
No, I want it now, sir.
Fine. Someone is about to be eliminated. What? No!
Hey, that's not the real paper.
Pickle and Taco, you guys both have immunity. Yeah. Oh, you only got 52 votes, so you're safe. Alright. OJ, Paper, one of you will be eliminated.
I really hope Paper is eliminated. OJ's my fave.
The person who is eliminated is... OJ.
Are you kidding me?
Time for the next challenge.
Ooh, can it be musical chairs?
Whatever. On your mark. Get set. Go! Paper, you win immunity. Oh, Pickle and Taco, you're all up for elimination. So tune in next time for another amazing episode of Inanimate Insanity.
Amazing? More like awful? The episode sucked. I demand a better one now. That's the face.